Beyond the silence, I can hear you. Beyond the silence, I can hear you. Walking through the empty streets where the night and shadows meet, I can feel you everywhere, like a whisper in the air. Every memory remains, falling softly like the rain. Though I know you're far away, something tells me you'll return someday. And I keep searching through the night for a sign, for a light. Beyond the silence, I can hear your voice calling me again, giving me a choice. Beyond the silence, there's a world we know, where our hearts are beating, where the feelings grow. Beyond. Beyond the silence, I can hear you calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me, calling me, Time can never change the past. Some memories were made to last. Every star above the sky makes me wonder where you are tonight. If tomorrow brings us near, I will leave behind the fear, and I'll take your hand again, like the night we first began. And I keep searching through the night for a sign, for a light. Beyond the silence, I can hear your voice calling me again, giving me a choice. Beyond the silence, there's a world we know, where our hearts are beating, where the feelings grow. Beyond the silence, take me higher, take me beyond the silence, I will find you there, even in the darkness. I can feel you near. Beyond the silence, nothing can divide. Every dream we started is still alive inside. Beyond. Beyond the silence, you're still alive. inside my heart.